Alright, so my lovely children here, they need to clean up their clothes. I'm gonna help them. You're not gonna do it by yourself. But basically, I want to KonMari my kids' clothes, but it's kind of difficult because it's based off of my joy, not theirs. So I'm asking them, come here, children. All right, so this is what you're gonna do. Yes, this is what you're gonna do. You need to look at your clothes, and one, you need to see if they're gonna fit you. So some of your clothes don't fit anymore, like sevens. These don't fit you anymore. Okay. Ew. So if it doesn't fit, you need to put it in a pile. And if you don't like it anymore, you need to put it in the same pile. Stop. Okay, are you listening? Yeah. So what did I say? If it what? If it doesn't fit. And if you don't like it, put it in a pile. Right?
In the same pile.
In the same pile. Because those are the items we're going to give away. Okay? And we need all your clothes to be able to fit in the dresser over here, and then your school clothes over there in that dresser. Okay? Well, you don't want to do this. Well, then I'm just going to throw away all your clothes.
No!
And I'll just keep the ones that I like. Yeah, you have to tell me some things that you like, okay? Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's do this. You ready? Let's go.
Tell you what I don't like.
What about this? That you can keep this, right? Because you like this, right? Right now, you like this?
Yeah.
I'm hanging it up now. Well, this stuff's it. Alright, so this is what I've gotten rid of. These two bags. This is like a regular trash bag size, like 13 gallons. What is it? And then this is like a smaller bag from a store that I just filled in. This is the closet. I feel really good about the closet. I definitely had to throw out most of my daughter's dresses, which is disappointing because she loves wearing dresses. But she's just gotten so tall. And I tried to follow KonMari, but the problem is this is my daughter's clothes and these are my son's clothes, and I don't think I'm gonna like it when it goes ascending and then ascending. I don't know. But, and then like how his clothes are already set up, I kind of like how it is, where his pants are here, his dress shirts are here, and then his sweaters. Like, I kind of liked that. So, I don't know. We'll see how that goes. But it's definitely, it's doing the ascending here, but here it's like descending. So, I don't know. And then here are like all her shoes. And then that is like school stuff. These are socks. I literally want to throw this whole thing away and just start new with the socks. But we'll see how that goes. And then these are their like toys for their room. And then my son's shoes are like hanging up here. So this is good. I'm going to tackle this area another day. Another night. Another night. But I'm just going to close that. And I'm feeling really good about that. And then this space is like just their bags from when we go places. And I need to put some clothes in the bag or whatever. That's here. And then this is like their second dresser, air quotes. It's pretty much just 4 drawers. And I have their school clothes in it because they wear uniforms to school. So I have their school clothes in here. So like they just have their own little designation, and this is just part of their bunk bed. Their bed's not made, don't judge me. And then this is just a little plastic drawer thing. They've obviously colored on it because they're children. This is like where their undershirts and underwear, all that, stockings, ties, accessories not grow. And then these are their other drawers. So pretty much all their clothes, all their regular clothes fit. All their regular clothes fit in these drawers here. And then we have the closet. So I definitely use the KonMari method to fold. I really like this method. The problem is the kids, just getting them on board with it is the struggle. But I'm just going to do my best to keep it because, you know, I put their clothes away. They just get their clothes out to wear. But yeah. Anyway, so my daughter, she has her pants and shorts and then her long sleeves and short sleeves all in the same drawer. This looks crazy. I don't know what happened here. She has hers all in the same drawer. But my son's clothes are a little bit bigger. So he has a shirt drawer. This is long sleeves and then short sleeves. And then he has a light pants drawer. And these are actually shorts, basketball shorts, sweatpants. And then his jeans are actually hanging up in the closet. So I'm finished. I actually feel really good about this space, like how it's made me feel getting there. Toys under control, especially with my daughter. Like, she has a lot of dolls and like doll clothes and doll accessories, so trying to keep that together. But pretty much, like you saw, there's a tote in the closet that she just kind of piles all her stuff in the tote and does that. So like for now that's okay, like, because then I can just push it out the way and then the room is clean. I minimize their clothes. I like the number. I feel like it's definitely reasonable. They share a lot of space. You know, in their from their closet to the drawers, they share a lot of space. So I just need to definitely try and keep it under control and to a minimum. I'm super happy with how this turned out and how it looks. The overall look of it and feel of it, I really like. So I think that's definitely gonna keep me sane, because their room is one of the places I walk into and I just like want to tear my hair out because it's just so terrible. Like, it just can get so bad, but they're really working on it and trying, you know, as good children. This is just terrible. I'm gonna make this bed. I'm gonna make it. And now it's made. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video of me KonMariing my kids' room, which is kind of difficult to do because, like I said, it's based off of the thing, what you feel joy about, and it's just clothes for my children. So I'm doing a video. You ain't got no shirt on. Oh. As you can see, my children didn't really help me that much. They helped a little bit in the beginning, but after that, I kind of just had to go based off of size is what they can wear and, like, you know, what they can't fit anymore. So I just basically just went off of size, and if they couldn't fit it, I didn't even consider keeping it. Do you like your room? Does it look good, nice and clean for you? Are you gonna keep it clean?
Yes, but I'm gonna move some stuff.
Like stuff? Like what?
Like this, that goes like right there. That can go here.
You want to move the dresser over here?
Yeah.
Why?
Because
Anyway, well, I'll think about it. Maybe you can keep your room clean. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, you'll also enjoy my videos about decluttering and minimizing my space. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Oh my God.